Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Hancock Whitney Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your income sources, including salary, freelance work, and any side jobs. List all your monthly expenses, such as rent, utilities, groceries, and entertainment. Identify fixed expenses that remain constant each month. Next, account for variable expenses that can fluctuate, like dining out or shopping. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, calculate your total monthly income. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. If you find yourself in the positive, consider how to allocate that surplus. If you're in the negative, examine your expenses to identify areas for potential cuts. Moving forward, it's time to set financial goals. Decide what you want to save for, be it an emergency fund, vacation, or a new car. Break these goals down into manageable monthly amounts. Now, let's create your budget using Hancock Whitney's online tools. Log into your Hancock Whitney bank account or create one if you haven't already. Navigate to the budgeting section in the online banking portal. Input your income and expenses into the budget calculator. Utilize the tools provided to categorize your spending effectively. Make adjustments as necessary to ensure your budget aligns with your financial goals. Review your budget regularly to track your progress. Use the reports and insights provided by Hancock Whitney to analyze your spending habits. Consider setting up alerts for overspending in any category. Stay committed to your budget, making necessary adjustments as your financial situation changes. With discipline and attention, you will be able to achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting is an evolving process, so remain flexible and open to change. Celebrate your successes along the way, no matter how small. A successful budget will help pave the way for a more secure financial future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.